Welcome to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is components of industrial policy. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discuss various topics related to it like elements and concept of business environment, uh, industrial policy, 5-year plans and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the components of industrial policy. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is components of industrial policy. As we already discussed about the industrial policy of India in the previous videos, so here we discuss the components of industrial policy. So there are so many components of industrial policy which are as follows. First one is the tariff policy. So what is the tariff? Tariff means the taxes on the or duties which are implied on the export and imports goods import goods in India comes under tariff policy. So what are the different taxes or duties are applicable on the different goods which are exported or which are imported to India comes under this policy. So this also covered in the industrial policy of India. Second one is the government's attitude towards private and public sector. So what are the different policies framed for the public sector and the private sector, and what are the taxes applicable, rule applicable to these types of sectors which are private and public sectors, also covered under the components of industrial policy. And the last and the third one is the monetary policy. There's different policy related to the framework, financial condition of the industrial sector are framed by the government of India, which covered under the monetary policy, which also relate to the cash flow, money flow within the country. Money flow in the country. So RBI is basically responsible for the monetary policy of the country, which improve the money flow within the industrial area as well as the country which is India, within the India. There are some other components of industrial policy which are as follows. Next is tax system. So what are the different tax system on goods and products and services also which is applicable within the India, not for the imported or exported goods, which is only the goods which is applicable to India covered under the tax system. And what is the tax system which is applicable to the industrial person, industrial organizations, also covered under the tax system under the industrial policy. The next component is the government attitude towards foreign capital. So what is the government attitude for regarding the foreign investment? FDI, foreign direct investment, FII, foreign institutional investment, and others also. So government prepared different rule, made different rule regarding the foreign investment, which may be direct investment or institutional investments, also covered under the components of industrial policy. And last but not the least is labor policy. There are different trade union policies, minimum wages policies, minimum wages act, factories act, and there are so many other acts are also prepared by the government of India for the welfare of labor working in the different manufacturing organizations. So these are the different components of industrial policy. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So what are the different components of industrial policy, which are tariff policy, which means taxes or duties imported or exported goods. Second is the government's attitude towards private and public sector organization. Third one is the monetary policy, for which RBI is responsible. Next one is the tax system of the government. Next is government's attitude towards foreign capital, and the last is labor policy. So this is all about the components of industrial policy. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.